Oh my goodness, I've never seen Kingston playing. Oh my God. I just saw Kingston playing. That was crazy. I hope she does it again. Damn, it was so cute. Oh. I've never seen her like just enjoying life. She's always been real scared of everything, and she's out here jumping around and tearing the yard up and playing. Well, taking a dump, I think, maybe. Oh, wait, I don't know what she's doing. Okay, yeah, she's taking a pee, I guess. Okay. Well, I know this is exciting for all of y'all. Oh man, she's taking a dump. Well, you gotta record it for posterity. Get it, Kingston. Get it out of you. Kingston. Poor Kingston. Where'd that trash bag come from? I have to get that, but I won't. Ain't my yard. There's a whatever. Damn, Kingston, you alright? I'm trying to bury that shit 6 feet deep. You know, no evidence of that left around. Thank you for your courtesy.